Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this DIY air dry paste. So we need the basics like a bowl, measuring spoons, cornstarch, wood glue. That's really important, wood glue. We're going to get started with the cornstarch. We need about 2 cups of cornstarch, 1 cup of a wood glue. This is my favorite from Home Depot. I will leave the link below. Then we're going to need 1 tablespoon of mineral oil. Mix everything thoroughly. Once you're done mixing, you can add a little bit of cornstarch just in case, because it all depends on the humidity of the room. It might need more cornstarch or you might need a little bit more oil. So once it starts looking like soft serve, then you can add a little bit of cornstarch to your hand or to the paste and just knead it. Once you are done, it should look something like this. And I love it because this clay or this paste picks up every single detail that you can think of. And I'm going to show you right now what I mean. You can actually see the little lines in my hand all imprinted onto the paste. And it's so pliable, so beautiful to work with. Look at this. It picks up every design they can think of. You can use these little stamps to make charms. You can mold it into whatever shape you want. And the best part is that you just have to put it in a nice tight Ziploc bag. I like the freezer Ziploc bags because for some reason they tend to keep more moisture in the bag. So take all the air out and zip it up and you're ready to go. This is just one example of what you can accomplish using this clay. This is a little skull that I made for the Day of the Dead last year, and you can tell it's very durable, super hard. You don't need to bake it or anything like that. I don't even have sealer on here, and it picks up the color beautifully. So I powdered the mold with some cornstarch, then I pressed in the clay, pulled it out, and let it dry overnight. But before I did that, I actually put the little paper clip in the bag. I think the reason that it's so hard and it lasts so long and it picks up the color beautifully is because I used wood glue. And it's a lot different than using regular Elmer's glue or any other type of whatever glue that I've seen. I've tried the Elmer's glue, I've tried the generic glue, I've tried clear glue, and it didn't, the results were not that bad, you know, but this one's my favorite one so far because of the durability and because it picks up the color beautifully. Let me know what you think. Thanks, bye. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Bye.